Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group as a member. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first open your Facebook app on your device and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the group where you want to post anonymously. Alright, next tap on the write something section to start creating a post. Before you start typing, look for the option that says Post Anonymously. If the group has anonymous posting enabled, you will see this option either at the top of the post creation screen or as a toggle switch. Got it? Now tap on Post Anonymously, and you will be prompted to confirm that you want to post without revealing your identity. Now confirm your choice and then proceed to write your post. Once you have written your post, just tap on Post to share it anonymously in the group. Your name and profile picture will not be visible to other group members. And that's it. Now you know how to post anonymously in a Facebook group as a member. I hope this video helps you to share your thoughts with privacy. Thanks for watching and take care.